News overseas, global cases of the coronavirus, which causes COVID-19, topped more than 320,000 on Sunday. At the same time, officials identified nearly 30,000 cases in the U.S. Governors say the federal government lags far behind in providing the equipment they need to protect their citizens. But Washington says the supply chain is flowing. VOA's Arash Arabasadi has more.
Health experts agree a coronavirus vaccine is at least a year away. Countries now must prepare for an expected surge and strain on their healthcare systems. In the U.S., that preparation comes with a lot of finger pointing, as states say the federal government is not doing enough, while the federal government says all hands are on deck.
We are shipping from our national stockpile, we're shipping from vendors, we're shipping from donations. It is happening. The demand from the governors is great. The demand around the world is great.
Streets in most cities are empty, and more states each day order citizens to stay at home. Governors say the federal government's help is not coming fast enough.
We are desperate for more PPE equipment, personal protective equipment. We've had a big ask into the strategic stockpile in the White House. They've given us a fraction of our ask, but we need a lot more PPE, both to protect our healthcare workers and to treat the sick.
Lives will be lost because we weren't prepared. But right now, I got to solve problems, and I need the federal government to help me make sure that I've got what we need for our frontline providers in particular, but also ventilators for people that are going to suffer.
In an evening news conference Sunday, President Trump again called it the Chinese virus, but stressed that supplies are en route to states and some already delivered.
We have large quantities of medical equipment and supplies on the way based on all of this to those states, including respirators, surgical masks and gowns, face shields, coveralls, and gloves, with large quantities already delivered to Washington and to New York.
The percentage of infected people continues spiking, with global deaths now more than 14,000. The governor of Italy's hardest hit region says the healthcare system there is pushed to the brink, with 1 in 10 cases affecting health workers.